So here's another question I get asked all the time. How fast can you actually cash flow? Like really, like if I start, I don't know anything, I'm a PE teacher at a high school and I'm thinking about rental arbitrage and how fast can I do this? From the day that I said yes, I was going to do this, December of 19, and just over my 2-month mark in February, I started actually cash flowing. Not just I signed a lease and I was about to move in, I started earning money. And I'm going to go over that timeline in a second. So on average, it takes people in my program 1 week, maybe 2, to figure out where you're going to do this. Doesn't have to be local, by the way. And that all that means is cash flow. Will the market cash flow? Are rents half of revenue? Is it legal? And is the market saturated? That's about 1 week. Let's say you just took the week off, 2 weeks. Then another 4 to 6 weeks on average once you start contacting landlords. I have a very specific script process. All of it is automated. None of it is by phone call or applications or tours. All of that, we get to a yes if they agree to us. Then we do an application. Then we do a virtual tour. And then we do, in fact, speak to them. But at the end of it, not in the beginning, to get through all the no's. On average, it's a numbers game, so it takes, let's say, 6 weeks. That's 2 months. And what we do the day we sign our lease is that when we plan our move-in, we actually list our property. So we are racing against the clock when we move in. It will take you no longer than 3 days to move in. And if you're using a furniture rental company, it should take you 4 hours. There's no scenario where it should take you more than a few hours to move into a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment with furniture rental. Get it cleaned up by a housekeeper. Get a photographer and they'll come in on a Thursday, take photos. And now you have almost a day for your internet guy to set everything up. You plug into all the apps and your first guest checks in at 3 o'clock on a Friday. By the way, that's exactly how it's done for all 62 of my rental arbitrages. That's how we did it. We used to have a Tuesday move in and then my operations guy said, hey, let's move it to a Wednesday. He said, let's move it to Thursday. I said, no. We'll keep it to Wednesday. Plan for the hiccups, and they happen. Like the internet guy might not get there, and then you have a big problem, right? So on average, that's what it takes. It will take you 30 to 60 days to cash flow. I've had students do it in 10 days. I've had a few people recently, last month, 2 of them got it in 30 days. One in Austin, one in Fort Worth. 30 days they were cash flowing. They actually had their lease signed up 3 weeks into it. So on average, 6 to 8 weeks to cash flow. I hope that helped. I hope to dispel a lot of the myths. Single family homes, by the way, will take you months and months and months. It will take you forever to get your money back. Apartment arbitrage is what it's about. And all apartment arbitrages lead back to me. Okay, I hope that helped.